Alright, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and in this week's vlog we're talking about the two series behind me, the Grand Coupe and the 340i Touring on the ramp, which is going to change the wheels over on. So behind me you can see this lovely little white F44 2 Series, actually the 218, but it certainly doesn't look like a 218 now. These are quite a nice car. We don't ever see them in. They are the same as the 1 Series. We do a few 235i's, but of course the 1 Series has always been a more popular car, unless you go for the new 240i Coupe. But this is a 240i Grand Coupe, so it has 4 doors, as you can see. Quite a nice car, because it actually don't have the pillars, so it makes them a little bit nice. The customer reached out, wanted to make it a little bit more individual, a little bit more of his own, so we had a conversation, and it certainly looks a bit more individual now. So it has the Maxton complete kit, so it's the front, the sides, the rear diffuser. They actually have a boot lid from factory spoiler, which is quite nice because it's painted, but it has the glass spoiler, which is quite nice. Don't see a number of those, but on this car it looks good. Run the Eibach springs, about 25mm drop all the way around, and of course our 19-inch MW1 wheels with Yokohama tyres. Guys have actually had the wheels in for coating to keep it that protection, the shine, and also to finish it off, M-style mirror caps, and of course the M badge on the wing. Absolutely stunning little transformations, a perfect little daily. Let us know what you think of this one. So behind me you can see a Duravic Grey M340i Touring. This car's actually in for detailing. It's had the AC Schnitzer kit fitted, and we've had a conversation with the customer. He's gone for lowering springs and spacers on the current wheels, but he opted to say, can I see what it looks like? Well, you got the car there for a week on the MW1s and the MW3s. Then he saw we do silver and gold. So we've got all the wheels behind me, so let's get them on the car and see what you think. But first of all, let's just do a quick run through. So the car is currently sitting on, right now, the MW1 wheels and the Michelin Pilots. So this is an 8.5 front with a 9.5 rear. The next wheel will be the MW3, which is a 10J rear, bit wider, so it has that nice sort of dish to it, in the black finished, followed by the silver polished, and then by the Porsche Neodyme gold. So we'll get the car in the unit so you can see some different lights, and then back outside some natural sunlight on the car as well, just to get the wheels just really pop. Now, we all have a personal favourite. Let us know what you'd go for. Mine would probably be the MW1s. Let us know what you think. Thanks a lot.